I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again Camping. Guys, thanks for joining us. Today got a new project for the Jeep, and they're new latches, hood latches, from LED Factory Mart.
Yeah, guys, got a little bit warmer day. I've been kind of waiting to do this because of the weather, and so it's a little bit bearable. But thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos. But stay tuned. We're going to do a little open box, and hopefully the install is not too bad. Hoping. All right, so just wanted to show you what our factory hood latches look like. Just over a couple of years, you could tell that they've started fading pretty bad. So LED Factory Mart sent us these hood lock kit. They're anti-theft, which is awesome because more and more we put on the Jeep, the more I want to protect, you know, what we have going on underneath there. So these are black, of course. They're made of high quality ABS. They're rust proof, and to me they have a real rugged look to them. So they were packaged very well when we got them. So good job, LED Factory Mart. So right out of the box, I was pretty pleased with how they looked, and because I'm just one of those guys that, you know, websites, you know how things look online. You just don't really know what to expect when you get them. So I was pretty excited to get this project started, so much so that I started it before my son, who usually helps me with these things. I started it before he got home from school. And I'm really not sure what's going on with Lori, but she really doesn't like to do these install videos with me. I'm starting to get a little complex, I believe, and just thinking that she doesn't like doing any type of work with me. So this was a pretty simple install, just removing the old latches. The only little little headaches that we had was just doing the bottom ones here. I had to take off the grill, as you could see here, but there was no drilling required. They just went right into our factory drilled holes. So not really, no really issues whatsoever. Just having a little bit of room here would have been nice, but you know, I was able to get in there. I really could have probably got more room by removing my fenders, but it was a lot easier for me just to take off the grill. So as you can tell here, my son's with me now. He just come home from school, just wanted to see what old Dad was up to, so I let him do this side. I thought he would have a little easier time since he had smaller hands, but I think he had a more difficult time. So I had to give him a hard time over that. But so installing these was just as easy as removing the factory latches. I like the idea that I didn't have to drill any holes and I could just go and use the factory holes. That just made the project that much easier. I mean, these are, I think, designed really well and just fit in with no issues whatsoever. The project took less than an hour. I checked on their website, and these are I think $90. And LED Factory Mart, if you've never been to their website, they have all kinds of coupon codes going on. They currently have I think 10% off right now during Christmas. So I think for a project that is, you know, less than $100, and especially if you can get a coupon code, it's really a simple little project. And the end result, I was so pleased with how it turned out. And I think my son, you know, he's 14. I think he could have done this all on his own. May have taken him a little bit longer than an hour. He may have had some issues with the bottom one here. As you could tell, he's still struggling a little bit, but I think he could have done it on his own. It may have taken him longer, but I really, for less than $90, $100, and the not a lot of time and headache, I think it's a great little project. But here you can see he's finished and reinstalling our grill. So I really enjoyed doing this with my son. I think project turned out great. I just wanted to say thanks to LED Factory Mart for these anti-theft hood locks. These look fantastic and look so much better than the factory ones. I'm not crazy about having another set of keys, but I'm so pleased that how this turned out, and I'm happy to be able to protect what all we have going on underneath the Jeep. And just like anything, if people want in, I think they're going to be able to break into it, but at least now I think they're going to have a headache and a little bit more difficult time. So maybe that'll deter some criminals or crooks out there. But I think this will cut down on some of the noise. I think they seal and bring the hood down quite a bit, and I think they're going to hold it. And I just love the rugged look of it. And I had to say, my son really wants this Jeep when he turns 16. I don't really think it's going to happen, but he was pretty excited with how it turned out. It's like he's ready for the next project as well. Hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
safe travels and God bless.